right, so what we got here, we got some chrome covers we're gonna put over these lights. Make them look a little bit more prettier. I want to try to get them about as straight as we can. What are you doing? You're gonna wallow that hole out a little bit bigger. I need to go in there and sharpen that bit. So I already got these wires, these lights wired up back there. I don't want to jab a drill bit through a wire and then I got to take everything back down and cut it and redo it. So you got to be careful when you drilling your hole. You don't stab through a wire. All right, that's it. We'll come out and clean them up a little bit when we get ready. That one there looks a little crooked. We'll come back and clean them up a little bit when we get ready. You can't really move them lights around. There ain't a whole lot of play on them, so the covers, when you get ready to drill them in there, make sure you got them as straight as you want, because if you had to try to come back and move them just a little bit, that means you're gonna have to try to drill that hole a little bit bigger, and then your screw ain't gonna fit because your holes are too close together. If it's off a lot, it would better for it to be off a whole lot than a little bit, because if it's off just a little bit, you ain't gonna have any room to drill that hole. So when you put them on there, make sure you got them straight and got your way to hold them. If you ain't used to holding stuff like that, putting a drill in it, make sure you got somebody holding it, or you got something to hold it, help you hold it straight so it don't move any. And there ain't really no forgiveness on it when you drill them holes. That's it. You can't really go back. The bigger you put your hole, the bigger you got to put that screw in there. If you off just a couple thousandths on your drill bit or something, if you're off just a couple thousandths on the size of that drill bit, that screw's not going to tighten up. It'll go in and it'll feel like it'll grab, but it'll be loose.